Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at ticker AQUA, AQUA. This is AQUA Water Technologies. While the people on TV keep yelling about a recession, it sure doesn't seem like there's a recession in pollution and treatment controls, at least not according to this chart here, because it is in a well-defined uptrend and above all the major moving averages. Today, just about breached its all-time high. Today, while the S&P 500 gets back to the 50-day moving average, AQUA is near the highs. And so that is interesting to me, and I think that this is definitely a stock you'll want to keep an eye on. Now, it does have less than 100 million shares, and typically with stocks like that, there can be a bit of a wide spread. So just be aware of that. If you are putting a trade on something like this, there could be a wide spread. You may want to watch your size. Support-wise, I'm looking down here at that 21-day exponential period moving average, clear support at the 21-day, and clear resistance right around this high from back here in February. That was the all-time high at 51.35. And so I have my alert line at 51.34. That way, if it does make a new high, I'll be alerted as that happens. And so what I want to see from this chart is a potential break of that level and a follow through into blue sky territory coming on higher than average volume. And so that's what I want to see here from AQUA, and it's a chart that I now have on my watch list. Maybe you could consider adding it to yours. So I hope this video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should definitely check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can take a 14-day trial for only $7. Best deal in town. I'll see you next time.